what's up guys? So I was attempting to film a video with this eyeshadow look that you see here, which I didn't even like. It was a total fail. It just didn't work out today, so I figured why not the make so I figured why not the oh my god, I can't even talk. I figured why not make the best of the mess that was this eyeshadow tutorial, and I'm gonna put in some clips of me failing at that. So I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos. To my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. I got like 3 new subscribers in the past like week and a half, which is pretty awesome. Thanks for your support, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully the next one is not as crappy as this one. Bye. Hey, what's up guys? So today I am gonna do an eyeshadow tutorial for you guys using an eyeshadow palette that I've had for a while and I don't use nearly enough as I should, and I look a little crazy right now, but hopefully it looks better once we're done. So I've already primed my eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base, which I always use, and this is just like the white shimmery one. And the eyeshadow palette that I am talking about today is the BH Cosmetics 120 eyeshadow palette, which is this one. And I'm just going to dig in and see what the heck we can do today. So I'm going to start off with... No, son. Okay, so he's already trying to get my brushes. Here. Let me see. I'm probably going to have to edit this a lot because I don't know what the hell I'm doing, to be honest with you. I'm just going with the flow today. Should I do purple? Okay, let's just go in there. Alright. This is a thought process that I go through when I do my eyeshadow. Sometimes I don't know what I'm doing. So let's start off with... Okay. Let's just go in there. So there's this pink one at the very top. I'm going to take that one right there. Let me move back a little bit because when it's too close you can't really see it. It's like a soft pink. And I'm going to take this. This is a Coastal Scents brush, I believe. I've had it for a while now. Alright. So I'm going to take some of that. A lot of that actually. And I'm just going to put it right here. Let's just do that. Let's see what happens. Anyway, so I know I said I was going to try to film once a week, but I find that pretty freaking impossible. So I'm not even sure if I'm going to finish this video today because my son is right there. He's awake. And if he gets a little necio, I'm going to have to go take care of him, alright? Alright, so I'm just going to lay down a little base here for... Hold on. Here. So this is like a pink shade. I don't know if you can't really see it because of my lighting, but it's a pretty soft color. So I guess we're going to go with pink today. Some more of this. Now, I'm going to take... Here's some. He wants to play. Since we're going to do the pink, let's go in with this darker one here. Same brush, and this is a more of a matte color. The first one was kind of shimmery, and I think this one I'm just gonna put it right here. Bring it in here and just blend. Oh, so good news. I mean, it's not really big news, but it's good news. My channel has 41 subscribers. Hello. That's pretty awesome. I really didn't think anybody would watch my videos, but some of you guys are, apparently. And I hope you guys like them. Now, do the same thing to the other side. And I'm not going to edit this one as much. Like, normally my eyeshadow tutorials, I do like the little music and stuff. But today I thought I would just kind of sit down and, you know, talk and explain more or less what I do here. So pink. I don't know anything else. Okay, let's just bring it in the pink here. And let's see what happens. Okay, let's put more of that pink. I'm going to go in with this shade that I like from the palette. And I'm going to put that right over that pink. With the same brush. I'm using the same brush for this. And actually I'm going to put this right. I'm going to lay here in the middle. Oh, that's pretty. So what do y'all have planned for today? As for me, I'm going to go to... I need to go to the store and get my daughter her Halloween costume. I know I'm super late. It's already... What are we? The 25th? I don't even know what day I live in. And she needs it for next Wednesday, so I need to get on that. Today, she wants to be a princess. This color's not really doing much. It's nice, like on the swatch, but not really much going on here. Cancel everything that I just said. I'm going to edit that out probably. No, I didn't like that color. I didn't like it. I think the only thing that's going to save this look at the end is glitter. Okay, let's just put this all over the lid. Not too shabby. Okay, now with the same brush, I'm using it for the whole look, I guess. I'm going to take another pink. No, you know what? I should use orange. I think orange would look nice. Let's take this orange right here. With the same brush. Wow, these colors are not that great. No wonder I don't use this palette. I'm just trying to make the best of it right now, but I'm not really working out. What is that? We're gonna find a way to save this, I promise. I know what it needs. At least I think I know what it needs. Let's sprinkle in the background crying. That orange really... I mean, it's looking alright, I guess. So, guys, I need you guys, if you're watching this, leave me a video suggestion down below, because sometimes I don't know what I'm doing. Let me know if you want to see. I don't know, whatever. Just give me suggestions. I should have used a brighter orange for this. Anyways, we'll just leave it like that for now. Let me add some more of that color. And I'm going to go in with a darker... I'm going to go in with a purple. Let's do purple. And I'm going to use a matte purple. I don't want to use like a shimmery one because too much shimmery. Well, all these are shimmer. Let's go with this purple right here. Now there's like a lot of fallout, as you can see, a lot. You know what, I kind of give up on this palette. I'm not feeling that purple at all. So, scratch this for now. Let's go in with, I need something dark. Let's go in with black. No, no, it's too dark. Brown? No. I think. Sorry. Same brush. Grab a bunch of that. And let's put it right here. Nope. Not feeling this look. But since I don't have time to do anything else, I'm just gonna go with it. Oh, this is so ugly. Guess I wasn't really inspired this morning. I don't know. I've done better than this. Okay. Okay, I need to just calm the hell down and just. Yeah, it looks better, right? Give me some hope. For some reason, this side looks better than this one. Wow, it looks like somebody beat me up. What happened up here? I don't know what happened here. It looks weird. It looks horrible. Whew. Okay. This looks horrible. Guys, if you're watching me for my tutorials, I'm sorry I let you down. Let us know what direction I want to go in, but today I guess I'm just not in the zone. Or maybe I need music or something. I don't know. You know what? Just no. I'm not feeling this at all. At all. Let's just do something, okay? Okay, now I lost my brush. Breathe. Okay. Okay, here you are. I'm gonna try to salvage this. What happened? I'm gonna clean this here. A lot of fallout. And the colors are not that great, to be honest with you. I'm just trying to fix this hot mess here. And it's not working out. I need to get some proper blending here. And it's not right. I guess it ended up being kind of like orange and purple. Halloween. Okay. We'll go with that. There's something wrong here. Because this doesn't look that bad. Right now we're going to leave, Franco. We need to go buy your costume too. Okay, now let me take a clean brush. And, hey, blend this here. So it doesn't look. I guess it doesn't look too bad, right? I mean, what can I say? I can't do anything about it now. This is how I'm gonna walk out the door right now when I leave. Franco, what is the matter? Here, son. Hold on, let me give him something. Hold on.